In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram username not found. If you are trying to look someone up on Telegram and keep seeing username not found, don't worry. This usually comes down to formatting, spelling, or the other person's account and privacy status. I'll walk you through what to check so you can quickly figure out what's going on and what you can reasonably expect to happen next. First, make sure you are entering only the username. Not a URL in Telegram's search bar, type the handle by itself, just the exact username. Don't paste links like t.me/username and don't include HTTP, HTTPS or any slashes. If you've copied their link from somewhere else, delete everything except the actual handle. Also remove extra spaces at the beginning or end. Even a hidden space can break the search. Keeping it to the plain username gives Telegram a clean query to work with, which is essential for accurate results. Next, confirm with the person that their username is spelled correctly. Usernames on Telegram are case insensitive, but every character still matters. Pay close attention to underscores, dots, and numbers. For example, username is not the same as username. It's also common for people to change their username, so the one you were given last month might not be current today. When in doubt, ask them to resend the exact handle as they see it in their Telegram settings. Verifying spelling and punctuation eliminates the most frequent cause of the not found message. If you are sure the format and spelling are right and you still can't find them, it may be about their account status. If someone deletes their account or hides their profile, Telegram can't surface them in search and their username will show as not found. In that case, there isn't an issue on your device or connection, the account simply isn't discoverable. If they later restore their account or make their profile visible again, search results will reflect that change. Finally, consider blocking and privacy. If the person has blocked you, or if they use strict privacy settings that limit discoverability, their username may not appear for you in search. That behavior is by design to protect user privacy. If visibility settings are the reason, here is nothing you need to fix on your side. Search results will only show what the other person allows. Follow these checks: clean username entry, careful spelling confirmation, and awareness of account status and privacy, and you'll know exactly why Telegram shows username not found. Thanks for watching.